So, sa ating pagpapatuloy, tayo po ay nasa Unit 8 na. Unit 8 tayo. Simulan na natin. Method of expressing R. Ito, the method of expressing R. Yan So, the circle is written with left motion to express this one. To express, parang ganito lang siya. Parang ganyan. Parang, ayan, with left motion So, S. Parang quit. Parang kama. So, yan, the following vowels before and after straight stroke. So, as in, art, mar, this one, mar, then arc, arch, as in arch, archery, yan, parang ganyan. Then, share, SH bago A. Wala nang R Ino-omit na yung R. So, between straight stroke in the same direction. So, as in, tart, pabaliktad hindi pa ganyan to. So, tart. Tapos, dared. Church. And church hindi U, E. Kasi, remember again, stenography is written by sound. Church. So, murmur. So, pati haya, ang E. Pati haya. Yun. Generally, more facile to use the circle for the obscure vowel sounds heard is as in church, murmur, urge, hurt. Yan, ito hurt. Yan, lahat pabaliktad. Tandaan nyo, this is infrequent word drill. Lahat, pag ano ng stroke, pag ganyan pag ganyan. Pag ganon. Always lahat pag ganon. Ito naman ang arm, pati haya, ganon din yan. Army. So, manner. Yan, mga yan. At tapos ganon din dito, sa left motion. Sa left motion naman, as in, ito, sa ating left motion, ito, tear. Tear. There, yan yun. Share. Nears. Stare. Yan manners. Di ba? Ngayon, sa susunod, ito ang ating mga lipat tayo sa ating brief forms. Dito na tayo sa ating brief forms. So, these are the brief forms. Yan, ang brief forms na ito, ulit, again, these brief forms ay kailangan ninyong i-memorize. Ulitin ko kailangang i-memorize kasi ito ay common words na ginagamit kahit na anong sentences. Yan, ito mga either, above, rather, love, collect, capital. Ang capital, KPT Tapos yung deal, DE. Wala nang deal or dear. Wala nang yan. Wala na yung karugtong DER. Dalawa lang ibig sabihin yan. Either deal or dear. Dear sir, ganyan. Real ito, real or regard. Yan, company. Importante ito, remember. Lahat ng stenographers ay alam yan. So, tapos ito mga abbreviated words, most ending in left motion, katulad ito, keeper, bookkeeper, disjoint words na yan, dearer, a worker, ito greater, yan. Tapos ito, yan. Tandaan niyo palagi, di ba madali naman ito, children, C-H-E-L, chill. Children yan, Ang prepare, prep lang, abbreviation yan. Kasi yan na nga i-brief form of subject is, subject, SJ. Walang ibang kapareho yan, isa lang siya. Ito, opinion, OPN. See? Tapos, ito, sooner, at saka former. Now, dadako tayo dito sa ating reading and dictation practice. Diba? Yan tayo Take a look at this. Okay. Dear sir, Dear sir or desired dear sir, it is the belief of the more in our business that owing to the heavy losses in income, it will become necessary for the company to get more capital very soon. Very soon. If it is to keep going. Di ba? Pause. In my opinion, an error was made in the following loan that, in my opinion, error was made in the following loan that that was thought necessary a month ago. Diba? I was very much in favor, I was very much in favor of it, as you know, but it is rather too late at this time to deal with people you then saw in regard to it. See? Di ba maganda? Hmm. Tapos, in regard to it. Then, the above mentioned subject is of first importance, and I want you to collect and put it 1 to 3 order all the data that you think are necessary to place before any man I have to see in regard to taking share in the company. Di ba? Yesterday, I called upon two men of importance in this city. Either of them would be an important factor in floating the loan. And they told me that they would be glad to hear more about our plan. Yours truly. Exciting, di ba? So, hindi nyo ito ang karamihan, itong brief forms na ito, ang brief forms na yan, ito most of this, ito yung ginamit dito, sa ating reading and dictation practice. Hindi nyo madidecipher yan kung hindi niyo napagtiyaga ng brief forms. So, sa ngayon, ayan na muna ang ating lesson. At bukas, I will try na mag-live ako para ma-discuss natin, nakapagtanong kayo. Okay? Salamat!